This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy lorShift back at it again with another banger video, y'all. And as y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, in today's video we're gonna be taking my 1,000 horsepower Dodge Demon through the trenches of Wilmington, Delaware, y'all. So if you from Wilmington, Delaware, or from 302, shout out to you. And if you also watching this video, shout out to you as well, because without you I wouldn't even be making this video, you feel me? So we gonna try and stay consistent with this YouTube stuff. But in this video, like I said, we're gonna be taking a Demon through the trenches. It's gonna be crazy. That's gonna be a crazy video, man. We're gonna turn a lot of heads. Hopefully the young bulls look at this as motivation, you feel me? Because that's all we here for, man. We're not here to flex on nobody. We're not here to stone nobody. I know where I came from, and I know I would see stuff like this and I'll take it as motivation too. So that's what we're gonna try to do today. Before I show y'all the car, I just want to let y'all know that we will be handing over the keys to Matthew. For those who already know Matthew, y'all know how crazy he get when he get behind the wheel, y'all. So I know y'all ain't seen him in a while. Y'all ain't seen him since we had a scat, but he will be making a return in the 1,000 horsepower Dodge Demon. So I'm gonna show y'all the car, and then Matthew's gonna put me in a body bag and throw me in the trunk. He's gonna take the wheel, y'all. So I'm out of this, but I'm gonna show y'all the car real quick. So stay tuned. All right, as y'all can see, man, for the most obvious thing of the car, we got that big Demon supercharger on this joint. JLT intake. We also got wide body in the back, slim body in the front. For as a concept of the Demon 170. For those who keep asking why it's like that, it is a Demon 170 concept, but in a charger. You know how the Demon 170 comes slim in the front, wide body in the back. That's exactly what it's supposed to be. Wide body bumper in the front, just no fenders. So it still got that wide body look. Yeah, nice and beefy. Just missing the thighs. You just missing the thighs of that John. We got the Demon on the side. We got tinted tail lights. Shout out to Tints with Ty. He tinted my tail lights yesterday. 4-inch tips, I believe. Nice little diffuser. I would show y'all how she's sounding, but my hood is off, so I can't remote start it, unfortunately. But when I do my next POV, I got y'all. Hellcat wheels in the back, wide body joints, and we got the Demon 170 replica wheels in the front. So yes, all I need is the slicks in the back and we good. This one gonna look like a 170. If you're wondering why like the paint is how it is, like it's like a little more red in the front than the back, it's because we got to get the whole thing in the front painted, and the painter did a bad job. So we're gonna get that together though. Once she get all wrapped and stuff, you're not gonna see, I mean, obviously it's not gonna be orange no more, so that's why I'm not really tripping about it. And yeah, we got the white brakes. It's really not too much to talk about, man. Sunroof, you know, your typical Dodge Charger, but with a Demon engine in it. So I ain't really get to show y'all the interior too much. Let me show y'all that real quick. The kill switch locks this car every 2 seconds, bruh. I can't even really just have the passive entry anymore. Demon mats. Oh my god, we got stars on the roof, but they're not on right now. The LED SRT steering wheel. This does light up at night, so when these nighttime POV drives drop, this joint's gonna look crazy. We got an orange dash right here to match the car. This is gonna get changed out when the car get wrapped. E85 in the back, some cat milk type shit, because we might run out of gas on this joint. Yeah, that's about it, y'all. I will show you how she's sounding in a second once I start her up, but we're gonna hand the keys over to Matthew so we can get started on his drive. I don't want to hold y'all up too much, so stay tuned because it's gonna be a banger. Let's get it. Matthew is back. You hear this? We're gonna get started, y'all. lorShift is in the back of the car. He's in the trunk right now. We got lorShift body bagged in the trunk. Other than that, man, we're gonna turn y'all up like we do every POV, man. Let's give y'all a couple of revs. We definitely gotta go in track mode in this beast. As you guys can see, we got 46 miles left. We are on full E85, I believe. I think so. I don't know. I might put 93 in this thing and blow it up. We're just gonna stick with the E85. We're gonna be driving through the trenches in a 1,000 horsepower Demon 170. So let's get to it, y'all. We are gonna have the ski mask on the full drive. We also got our black forces, so you know we coming with these things. We definitely gonna get dangerous. If we driving a Hellcat in a black force, we definitely gotta get critical. We gotta get dangerous with y'all, you feel me? We definitely might run out of gas, cause I might go crazy, man. But hopefully we don't get into a chase, but if we do, y'all know Matthew getting away. Oh snap, hold on, speaking of chase, your boy done forgot something. We gotta be safe. We gotta be safe. Oh! Look at that, look at that. Cover that up. I don't even wanna open it up, cause lorShift is gonna get out of that. So we just gonna get back in this thing and throw the rag right over here. All right, y'all, like I said, we got the cat milk in the back, sitting pretty, yeah. And it's time to tear the streets up, y'all. Let's get it. I'm gonna try not to do too much talking, but y'all know I might just have to talk in this joint because this is a 1,000 horsepower Demon and I'm trying to get active. Feel me? Shout out to you if you from the 302, man. If you know where I'm at, big ups to you. But big ups to you if you watching this video as well. Like lorShift said before. Roll the windows up a little bit. Let's get to it, y'all. That whine sound real aggressive. That whine sounded real aggressive.
Bad boys.
Yo, this joint sound crazy, bro. This is illegal, bro. This gotta be illegal, bro. This car is too loud, bro. Oh my God. Listen, listen. Y'all hear this? This gotta be illegal, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. Oh my goodness. Yo, I almost bung out, yo, trying to rev for this dude. We gonna keep it straight though. Shout out to you if you know where I'm at, y'all. We in Wilmington, Delaware right now. We definitely finna run out of gas. Yo, mind you, y'all, we started with 40, I think 46 miles. We're at 39. I thought that was a cop behind us, y'all. Oh my goodness. It's like as soon as I want to start recording, everybody wants to drive so damn slow, bro. I swear. Look at this, bro. Look how slow they driving, yo. I can't even cut up in this joint. Let me make a right. Damn, bro. Nice. We even get hit with stop signs now. Yo, this Hellcat is a different ball game, y'all. I'm trying to tell you, man. This Hellcat is a different ball game, y'all. We gonna make a left. We in a right lane making a left, but it's cool. Barking, bro. I don't even think it's a cat. Alright, we're gonna go up here and make a right. Actually, we're gonna make one right here. Wake up, gang. Yo, the camera does not do justice, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, this car sounds crazy. It sounds crazy, especially with the black force on. The one thing that made me almost regret this is because of all these stop signs and stoplights, y'all. This is the one thing. You record in the city, you got to deal with this stuff. So I'm gonna try my best to skip over all this. And yeah. Can we make a right here? Yeah, we can. I don't understand this. You see this car pulling up right here. Why y'all looking a whole other way? Be staring at some ass. I don't know. Hold on, this gonna break their neck. There it is. See if we can get over real quick. I know it's a cop sitting somewhere around here. We gotta take y'all through some other trenches though. We gotta get out of here. This is west. We gotta get out of west. Take it over here. Stay back. Oh my God. She is purring. Ooh, now we're gonna go straight. We're gonna go straight. We had a dead end in the trenches, y'all. Alright, y'all, we're gonna keep it straight. They say 20 miles per hour the speed limit, but there's no kids in school right now. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my God. Yo, what the hell, bruh? Yo, this don't sound real, bro. This does not sound real, guys. Oh, I hate these type of roads, bro. Look at this. When they do construction on this joint, bro. Sheesh, that thing sound crazy. Here we go, y'all. This is what I like. This is what I'm expecting the video to be like the whole time. I wonder what people are thinking right now, bro. This gotta be like, they gotta think they're in a dream or something, bro. I wonder how many people think this car is broken. Give y'all some revs real quick. As y'all can see, we are on a low range already. I've only been driving for 10 minutes. I'm cool, y'all. I'm cool. God, one of y'all gotta go faster. Like, golly, bro. Damn, thank you. 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 Oh, we starting to get to the city, y'all. I can't do too much of this. It's a whole nother POV. I'm gonna go through it real quick though for y'all. I'm gonna go through the city. Let me know if y'all want a full city POV though. I got y'all at nighttime. Oh, we got some kids in the street. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Don't want to hit nobody. Yo, your boy is on E. And we still give me y'all a banger video. I don't give a... Go ahead, gang. We don't need no more cops behind me, y'all. We in the trenches with it, though. We're in the trenches with it, though. Yo, I don't know how people don't hear this thing and think they getting abducted. If I heard this coming up behind me and I didn't know what it was, bro, I think I'm getting abducted, y'all. I would think it's over. Y'all gotta hear this whine down these one ways, y'all. This sounds crazy, bro. Oh my God. Yo, this don't sound crazy. I'ma hold y'all up here real quick. Hold on, y'all. Yo, I can't even do nothing but just laugh, bruh. I'm sorry if I'm not talking, man. If I'm not talking, I apologize, y'all. I'm just listening to the whine as much as y'all are, man. This thing sound great. Here we go with these nutty ass roads again. Oh my God. Roads is literally gravel. I can't even really hit it in this thing, man. Look at this road, y'all. Here we go, it ends right here. All right, you got to bear with me, man. Bear with me. Hold on. We getting over this thing. There we go. Oh, if it's not one thing, it's another. Y'all know how it is with these wet roads and these Mopars, man. I don't even got to tell y'all too much, man. Y'all know what happened to my scat. Of course, we get a wet road right after that. You can't make this up. Can we make it right here, y'all? Let's make sure no cops is creeping up behind me when I make this right. Oh my God. We gonna go up this hill and then we gonna stop the video, y'all. Yo, he look like Sean Livingston. All right, y'all, we back. Of course, my phone dies though as I'm going up the hill. But like I said, I'm gonna give y'all a couple more pulls, then we gonna end this joint, yo. Oh my God. God. All right, y'all. One more. All right, y'all, it's Matthew. And lorShift told me that we gonna end the video here. So make sure y'all leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next banger video if he decides to bring me out again. We out.
Yeah, I got wild card. I ain't talking about the drink, the rocket push start. Hitting different